What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to Digital Knowledge. In today's quick tutorial, you're going to see how to change date of birth on TikTok. So to do that, we're heading over to the TikTok application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then head over to the three lines on the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Here go to your account. Now go to account information. Now go back. As you can see, the date of birth is not in here. So you're going to privacy. It is not in here too. So we go to security permissions. It's not in here too. So as we can see that TikTok have turned off to change your date of birth. So we can currently do it in here, but we can wait for the new option to change our date of birth. But if you really want to change it, you can go to report a problem and go to account and profile. Now go to your editing profile. Now go to others. Now go to need more help. Now click on account. I want to update my birth date. Now here they have given you the support to change your birth date. You have to, if you believe that the date of your birth is entered incorrect, please submit your request using this form. So you have to tap on it. And when you report, please follow the steps. The first one is choose the general account inquiry for the topic and choose the age verification and give us a detail or give them the detailed description of their question. And there's a note that some violations may result in the inability to use certain functions. You can check your account status by tapping check account status below. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.